Hello everyone, welcome to IDALS. My name is Shijin Ramesh, and in this video we'll be learning how to count on music. Basically we'll be understanding what is 8 counts and how we can do it on music. So let's go. Before moving on, let us understand the concept of time signature. So here is a small musical piece, and as you all know, music is divided into bars which are separated by bar lines on the musical structure. Time signature are two numbers that are placed at the beginning of the piece, which tells us the number of beats or counts between each bar line. So here the upper number represents the number of beats, or else we can call it as notes, and the lower number represents the type of note, or else the type of beat. There are various types of time signatures, but for our understanding we are using the most commonly used time signature 4/4 time, which we also call it as common time. Here the upper value 4 represents that your bar is 4 beats long, and the lower value 4 is called as your note value or the type of beat. Many people denote it with quarter note. So this was time signature for your understanding at a very basic level. As a dancer, we need not go deep into the concept of time signature, but it was very much important for us to understand what it is exactly. Now when it comes to dance, we usually make use of 8 counts or 8 beats. If you listen to any kind of music, we'll observe that the rhythmic pattern repeats after every 8 counts, which we can consider as one bar, or else we can consider it as 2 different bars, each of 4 counts or 4 beats. Now let us try to consider one simple music, and we'll see how we can count on it. There are various ways in which you can initiate your counts. So let us consider each of them step by step. So here we go with our first example. Here we go. Cue with me. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was a simple example where we're trying to do one beat on each count, or else we can say one beat on each quarter note. Now let us go a step further and let's try to do 2 beats on each count. Here we go with our second example. Here we go with our second example. Cue with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So this was the second example where we made use of 2 beats on each count, or as we can say 2 beats on each of the quarter note. Let us try to go one more step further where we will try to make use of 4 beats. Here we will make use of E and A. This is one of the most commonly used patterns by many dancers. So let's see how we can make use of it in our music while counting on music. So here it goes. Let's go with our third example. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 6 E and a 7 E and a 8 E and a. Let's try to do it one more time for your understanding. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 6 E and a 7 E and a 8 E and a. So this was our third example where we made use of 4 beats on each count, or else you can say 4 beats on each of the quarter note. I hope you all understood all 3 examples which I have shared it with you. Now let us try to mix 2 of the patterns and see how we can count it on music. Here we go with our mix pattern. Cue with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. We'll try for one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So this was a 4th variation where we tried to mix 2 different patterns together. If you observe clearly, in the first bar we made use of 2 beats followed by 4 beats, then again 2 beats and 4 beats. So here we observe how we can mix 2 patterns together. Alright guys, I hope you all understood how to count on music using 8 counts with the various examples I shared with you all. Make sure you are practicing this at home daily, because dance musicality is one of the most important things a dancer needs to understand properly. You all can practice this in your different ways, but make sure you all are doing proper justice to the rhythm. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We'll be coming up with such more videos on our YouTube channel because we are here to make your dance learning simpler and easier. Make sure that you have already subscribed to our YouTube channel to get notified for all of our upcoming videos, and make sure that you are practicing daily, dancing daily, and staying connected to IDALS always. Till then, see you in our next video.